Hi, the Sales Sisters here, Georgia and Claudia Ryan, and we are so excited to show you our new listing here in Northwest Bay.
A classic Kiwi batch with absolutely everything you'll need. A boat shed, a slipway, mooring, beach and accommodation to sleep many. Come with us and take a look.
Set amongst beautiful Nikau palms and gorgeous rimu trees, you truly are amongst your own Kiwi paradise.
If this looks like you and you'd like to organise a viewing, contact us, the Sales Sisters, Georgia and Claudia Ryan.